As a business owner and a father, I can tell you that there's no product I trust more than Livewire Volt to keep me up to date on the location of my vehicles in real time. This covert GPS tracker is undetectable and connects directly into the power of the car, meaning that the battery will never die. Tapping into a 4G network, the Livewire tracker has full coverage across North America, including the United States, Canada, and Mexico. The tracker is reliable and easy to install. Open the hood and locate your car's battery. Loosen the bolts on the positive and negative terminals. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal. Tighten the bolts securely and fasten the GPS unit to a safe surface near the battery. Through the mobile app, you can monitor the movement of your vehicle from your phone, tablet, or computer. Here you can utilize a multitude of tools at your disposal for tracking, monitoring, and reporting the location of your vehicle. Updates are provided every 60 seconds via text or email for remote monitoring. And when using the Rapid Track feature, you can access live monitoring on your desktop and laptop in real time. Whether it's for my family car or a fleet of work vehicles, the Livewire Volt GPS tracker gives me real peace of mind knowing that my assets and loved ones are safe.